Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SAVA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. So in order to best really illustrate what's going on here, I'm going to go ahead and just squeeze this chart over here because right now the formatting, because it was such a big gap down, very hard to see. But if I do that, at least it becomes a little bit easier to see. But the big dynamic here that occurred, and I don't mean to state the obvious, but to establish some context, there was actually a really nice bounce. And when you stop and think about the fact where it started all the way down here and then where the price ultimately closed, that was a good, solid, respectable move. Now, that does lead to the more than valid question of, yeah, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at $1.93. So why is $1.93 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about that $1.93 mark, meaning if the price were to come down here and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price all of a sudden? Well, that would quite literally be putting the price essentially right back to where it was when it was flirting with those lows. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas on the flip side, because nothing can go straight up, so maybe it pulls back a bit more. But in this situation, behaves like that before it's starting to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. So let's see if the price can indeed make that sign of progress. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, public enemy number one going into next week going to be right there at $2.37. So keep a close eye on that. But all in all, impressive bounce. Not just a question of can the price build upon this bounce next week. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.